What's going on, everybody? It's Alex, the Asian truck driver, and Jenna, the Asian driver truck person.
Huh? That doesn't make any sense.
I thought it would be here, freestyle. So for today's video, real quick, I don't know if you guys have seen Fresh Off the Boat, but it's Asian American comedy, and I'll just leave it at that. But a few weeks ago, I'd say 2 weeks ago, they had season 3, episode 17. It's called The Flush. And basically what that talks about is the Asian glow, or we call it the Asian flush. A lot of people have told me they don't know what the hell that is. I'm here to tell you a secret today.
I know, which is funny. Like, I told a friend that the other day and she didn't know what it was.
Yeah.
And we're in Florida, so not too many people.
And I'll tell you a secret today.
Not too many people have Asian friends here.
Yeah, that's racist. But I'm here to tell you a secret today, and that secret is that I am Asian and that I get the Asian flush.
What are you doing with your shirt? Are you
I don't
trying
know.
to show?
Oh, I'll take it out. Okay. So for this to work, so if you guys haven't seen the episode,
Don't take
this is
our
perfect.
Ew,
This is
no
perfect.
one wants to see that.
It's perfect. This is the truth.
Ew.
All right. So on this episode, what
Hey,
they talk
let me open
about is basically Asians get the Asian flush. Not all Asians, you know, just the ones that can't break down alcohol,
the wheat and the alcohol.
wheat or whatever. But basically, I have an enzyme in my body that I cannot break down.
Everybody has an enzyme. Have enzymes.
I have something in my body.
You have one enzyme.
And that one does not let me break down alcohol. So the Asian flush is real. So the goal today is I'm just gonna drink, and we're not gonna
We're gonna compare it to this color here. You're gonna turn.
We don't even need to time lapse this. Watch, I just start drinking. Cheers. Are you gonna drink with me? No.
No.
Okay.
I have a small bladder and it's late, so I can't.
For some reason I thought you were gonna say small wiener. But I can't drink that fast.
You're gonna burp a lot because you're drinking a lot of air. That's so gross. Like your nips are showing, and it's kind of cold.
It's fine. It doesn't matter. I'm a dude. We don't matter.
Gross. No, you got boobies though.
Shit, I don't care. Bear with me, guys.
Can I cup it?
That's kind of weird, but do whatever you want to do. People think I'm getting drunk. You know, a lot of people, they lose their confidence. But I don't give a fuck.
Yeah, you're a booger.
Yep. But hey, thanks so good.
You are not coherent anymore.
Thanks so much, guys. I appreciate you
Thanks so
guys. You know, I just can't drink beer. It's all good. I just have to stick to water since I'm a truck driver. 0 tolerance.
Let's see how red you got though.
Okay, check it. Oh my Jesus.
You got pretty pink.
So embarrassing. So embarrassing.
You are a cheap date. That's
Oh,
for
hell
sure.
yeah.